Hello, I'm Mike Lacher with Industrial Lubricant. Today we're going to talk about the Lincoln Central-Matic system. We're going to go through the components. We're going to show you how it should work and any troubleshooting that may need to be done afterwards. We're going to look at the key components of the system. Mag pickup, or a proc switch they're referred to in the industry. We got the main controller. Over here we have a grease pump, followed by a set of injectors, a grease pressure gauge, which is crucial, a pressure switch, safety unloader valve, and a vent valve. The toggle switch, which is located in the lower left-hand corner of the box, needs to be in the off position, which is all the way to the left under normal operating conditions. I want to just show you the normal operation of how this is supposed to work. This is mounted up on the power end. It rotates in a circle. Most of you will see it up there. You know what it is. This is a mag pickup or a proc switch. So when you hit the prescribed number of strokes you got programmed into the control box, the system will fire up. I'll just run this target past here. The system will start to build pressure. The electric motor's engaged. Obviously you see it coming up. We've just injected grease. Pressure switch seen, we have sufficient pressure in the manifold, and it is shut down. System is running just fine. Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about these little small Lincoln greasers. Most of the frac industry is using this bigger stuff. This is a good pump, but if you do have one on a frac trailer, get a hold of me. I can, give some recommended time settings on it, what to do with the pump elements, when you should change them, how many you should use. Typically they'll have an SSV valve on there, or a modular block system on there that's going out to a tri or a quin. So these can be inherently a problem on frac just because of the sand that gets into the grease, and it'll stop the block from moving. But these work great on construction equipment, front end loaders, excavators, dozers, you name it. They can be put on any type of configuration. They work well. If you have one and you have any questions, call me. One thing I want to point out that's very critical in these systems, they're designed to pump grease, not sand. I want to talk a little bit about the grease requirements for the Lincoln grease system. We see a lot of guys in the industry, especially in cold weather, using a triple-aught grease. That does work, but it has a lot of inherent problems to it. Vent valves not sealing. There's little issues that go on that you may not notice, you may be troubleshooting for, and there's really not a problem there. It's just the grease that you're putting into it. So we've got a Matrix LC0 winter grade for guys up north that works just fine. We've converted a lot of guys from the triple-aught to this, and the reports back are great. Packing life is great, just as good if not better, but pump reliability has went up a bunch. It's just a better, thicker grease designed for that. This will pump to 40 below. So if you're using this in a winter environment, you're fine.